Hi everyone, this is Maniramakrishna. In the today video, we are going to discuss about the on-screen annotations. Okay, on-screen annotations. For making different annotations, we are going to use like zoom in, zoom out options while teaching, as well as when you screen recording also. So without using any other editing tools, we can use by using this one. Okay, this app is we can use for online teaching or screen recording, wherever it is. Okay, so here we are having the pen option also there while writing, so we can see. So this is the pen, right? So now I'll show them this, which are having the right. So in this one I have to use the pen, then we can use the pen mode here, right? Writing. So I am drawing on this pen, so here explaining. So here I'm using the ZoomIt software for on-screen animations, zoom in, zoom out options, and text. Also we having the text option here also there. Okay, you can do on-screen type also. Okay, here this software is nothing but the ZoomIt software, so we can use this software file downloading. Okay, so here is the download by using the option. Okay, here is you can go and the search on the Google, search as a ZoomIt. Okay, so it will be goes to the doc docs.microsoft.com. So from that, when the documentation, you can download this. Done. It's having the 448 KB, so it having the less size. Okay, so you can download that. Okay, here I'm already downloaded, and here you can go to the installation. So it is easy to install. So you have to, if you have to download it, it will be downloaded in the form of RAR file, zip file, and unzip it. Okay, so it will be there. So uninstall it. Okay, here we're having the options. So here I'm the option, right? We know it will appear. So we're having the hotkeys, so you can change hotkeys whatever you use, and the live zoom option will be also there. So here will option, so you can change your hotkeys while whatever you want. Next is a zoom draw. Okay, so in the zoom option say, and you can see different colors also there. For writing, the color paints is the or red, green, blue, orange, yellow, pink. Okay, that's all. So shift control, so to draw the straight lines holding the shift key, rectangle, and the control keys, ellipse, and the top key, arrow, shift. Okay, you can also draw some of them, right? Okay, you can see the different. Okay, clear screen for sketchpad by typing J or K. So control save. Okay, you have the options and the type on screen time you can see, and the break that will be used. So now I will show the what are we having. So now I will show the first in zoom out options. So you can enable it by using this one and escape from that one. Okay, now control 2 I'll using the drawing, right? Next we'll change the red one. I'll showing now it's a tab. So here I'll showing, right? So we have different types. So as red, I'm seeing yellow, next pink, and the blue, and here going to red, right? Different colors up there, so you can use what you'll be having. Okay, so for when you're drawing, so it will have the type mode also, so you can type what you will. So you can save that one also. Okay, just saving, so it will save in the format PNG file. Okay, so here this is the writing, drawing, okay, annotations. Okay, as like drawing board you can see, so it will also appear. So while in the drawing mode, you can see here whatever you want to draw, you can explanation by using this one. So this feature is very valuable for one. This is very helpful. Now next I will show the timer option. Okay, so it will be showing the how the break time what you want, and the counter timer also it will be there, so you can change the time so what you need. So this is all about the zooming. So we're having not only that one, you're having the many options like this. You can go to the microsoft.com, so you can available in the ZoomIt. Okay, So search as a ZoomIt. Okay, the version is the 4.52 version and the download size is the 448 KB. So here we have what you have the shortcuts you can do, not only the zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and the you have the pens, so you can zoom. Okay, you can also draw the different types of the drawing modes also there. Okay, so here some of the only mention, or you can see here, and now I'll show you this one for different size are there. Okay, draw. Okay, when having the tab key, so we have the rectangle, triangle also there. So let's we check the. Okay, so for draw the straight line by holding the shift key. Okay, shift key. Okay, you can draw the line, and the control key for the drawing the rectangle, and ellipse by tab, and arrow by shift control. So let's check it once again. Okay, so while go to drawing board and the shift, so you can draw the line, right? Next tab, so I am drawing the circle. Next, shift control, so here on the line. Okay, so here the lines, this one we can draw a line this way. Okay, many options also there, you can check it. So this is all about zoom in. Okay, zoom it. So having the zoom it option you can use. Okay, so here we have the keys, you can use it and you can draw the anything you want, the what we discuss. Thank you. This is Maniramakrishna signing off. Have a good day.